Hey guys, it's Dave and I am on day one of my ultimate reset. So what I want to do is just kind of quickly walk you through what my day has been like and then give you some thoughts and then show you my excellent dinner. And then I'm going to go eat, so I'm going to make this quick. Okay, so first day, about as expected. Wasn't, expecting any really dramatic, hey, I feel a totally different thing. I've given up coffee. I did that last week. I think that's a really smart move. By the way, if you are a coffee person, which I am, try to get rid of that first. I think today would have been really hard if this had been the first day that I had not had coffee, but slowly kind of took myself off coffee, and it's been probably 5 or 6 days since I've had a cup of full bore caffeinated coffee. I've had maybe 1 or 2 cups of decaf in that time period. So basically taking 4 supplements right now. I have Mineralize, which is like a salt that you add to distilled water. I have Oxygenize, which is drops of oxygen that you add again to your distilled water that you put the Mineralize in. So I think it was 3 of those today, so 3 just cups of water with some salt and oxygen in it, pretty basic stuff. Optimize, I think was twice today. I'm still trying to remember my routine. These are digestive enzymes and I'm sure a lot of other cool stuff, but that's 4 pills today. So if you've been on a lot of the other cleanses like I have where you're taking, 15, 16 pills a day, not that sort of a deal. And then Alkalinize. This is kind of like a shot of wheatgrass is kind of the closest thing I would equate it to. But it's just kind of a little green drink, mix it up with, 3-4 ounces of water and chug it down. And the idea behind this is to help regulate your body's pH. And it's the same thing with the water as well. Trying to regulate body's pH, trying to get your body into a more alkaline state. So, how do I feel? I feel pretty good. I'm a little hungry, I have to say that. There's definitely it's not a starvation diet, but it's definitely less calories than I would normally eat. Of course, I'm not exercising, so that's factored into it. And I'm just sort of accepting the fact that I'm probably going to be a little bit hungry as I go through this thing. Had a breakfast actually with eggs and some kale and spinach this morning, which was great. And I hadn't had eggs for a while because I've been trying to kind of cut back on my animal products too as I get ready for this thing. So it was really nice. It was like treat, eggs, awesome. Then for lunch I had a salad, just a big kind of mixed green salad with some oil and vinegar type dressing on it. Around 2:30, right before I went to pick up the kids from school, I had a tropical Shakeology with a little bit of fruit and just water, just as a snack. And then I am about to eat this. Look at that. That's a nice big piece of salmon, some asparagus, and some fingerling potatoes. Hopefully you guys can see that. That is certainly the type of meal that I would normally eat, and I'm gonna go eat it before it gets cold. So anyway, that's day one. Hope you guys are all doing well. Looking forward to continuing on my reset.